Get rid of dandruff with this natural home remedies. Seborrheic dermatitis, generally known as dandruff, is a common scalp condition. Dry skin, irritated oily skin, bacteria and fungal growth on the scalp, inflammatory skin diseases, and other causes can cause it. It causes itching as well as a buildup of dry skin flakes on the scalp. Dandruff can be avoided by maintaining a healthy hair regimen. Here are some of the greatest natural solutions for dandruff prevention and treatment. 1. Vinegar. Vinegar can be used to treat itchy, dry skin as well as fungus and bacteria that cause dandruff. Vinegar's acidic component is quite helpful in substantially reducing flaking. Half an hour before a head wash, apply an equal amount of white vinegar and water to the scalp skin. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda functions as a scrub, gently exfoliating and eliminating dead skin cells from the scalp without causing irritation. Exfoliation is necessary to prevent flakes from accumulating on the scalp and making dandruff more evident. To reap the benefits of baking soda, simply mix it into your shampoo while shampooing your hair. 3. Neem. Because of its antibacterial and antifungal properties, we're all familiar with the importance of neem extract in practically all skin medicines. Because dandruff is primarily caused by fungus colonization of the scalp, it's only natural to resort to this age-old skin cure. For the scalp, it's best to use a very diluted variety of neem. Neem boiled in water, as concentrated ones can irritate the skin. The skin even more. 4. Tea Tree Essential Oil. Tea tree oil is found in all anti-acne and antifungal treatments because of its excellent ability to combat fungal and bacterial infections. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to your shampoo and wash as usual to see the results. 5. Garlic. Garlic has long been known for its antifungal properties, and the benefits of raw or crushed garlic have enthralled mankind for generations. To observe rapid effects, pound a clove or two of garlic and mix it with water before applying it to your scalp. What about the odor? You could always add some honey and ginger to the mix. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera not only cools the skin, but it also exfoliates it gently and contains antifungal and antibacterial characteristics. It is better to extract some right from the aloe vera plant, as it is translucent and thick. It's applied to the scalp and then washed away with a medicated anti-dandruff shampoo or a mild shampoo. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.